Hi folks, welcome back to the Gearhead Depot shop. Today we're gonna do more suspension work, and I want to introduce you to my buddy Michael, who's helping me a lot while building this truck, the C10 shop truck. And yeah, this week we're gonna do the right side of the suspension, C-notching the frame, and hopefully assembling the whole suspension today. So we're gonna hope you have fun with that, but at first, let's roll the intro. So today we're gonna do suspension work, in special the rear suspension. Last week we did the driver's side C-notch in the frame and bolted in this part for stiffening the frame. And today we're gonna do the passenger side and hopefully assemble the rest of the suspension also. This means cutting out the frame, drilling a massive amount of holes and assembling the rest. So let's get started.
Woohoo! Oh! Yes!
So now the cutout is made for the rear axle and the C-notch. The C-notch stiffening part is fitted, and we started drilling all the holes for the bolts and started bolting it in. And we figured out that the whole frame is a little crooked and it's not as straight as it should be. But so that's how it is, and we have to deal with that. So we try to get everything as nice and tidy and fitted as we can. So yeah, now we're going on. Calm down, relax, and keep on working. So the C-notch frame stiffeners are in, frame is cut, the crossmember is in, bolted and tightened up. Next on the list are the link bar mounts, and yeah, and we're not far away from putting the rear axle right back under the truck. The front 4 link bar mounts are on the frame, bolted down. Next we rolled in the rear axle to get the axle and shock mounts done. So next is tightening down the U-bolts to get that all to the axle. So, what's next? Let's look in the instructions. Next are the link bars. They position the axle in the latitude direction, and they are adjustable so you can get your alignment right.
Sucked?
That sucked.
Why? What happened?
Because you have a very tight tolerance, and if you're trying to stick the bolt through the hole, you don't have enough leverage in the arm and not enough strength to push it through all the way. So you're gonna need a little persuasion in form of a big fat hammer. So now we have to pre-assemble the shocks and coil springs to make it a coilover, which is the term used for shocks and coil springs in conjunction. And yeah, that's what's happening now. So folks, wrapping up the rear suspension, coilovers are in, thing sits on its own axle and feels good. Everything went together pretty smoothly, and this is it. I'm really stoked to have this, and the Ridetech kit really works well in terms of building in, and everything fits nice. It looks really, really good. I'm proud and stoked to be this far at my project. So, thanks for watching and have a good day.